Every single Power BI report with the default settings looked like this. And this is the exact same report. Same data, same visuals, zero manual formatting. Microsoft just quietly dropped a design update in March 2026 that changes how every visual looks by default. And most Power BI users have no idea it exists. Now, before you think this is just a cosmetic update, it's not. This changes how you build reports from scratch, how your stakeholders perceive your work, and honestly, how much time you save every single week. Let me show you exactly what changed, what's better, and the one thing I'd still fix myself. So here's the before. White background, no padding, sharp corners, list slicers everywhere. It works, but it looks like a draft. And here's the after. Gray canvas background, uniform padding, rounded corners, smooth lines, drop-down slicers. It looks like something a designer built. There are 6 key changes you need to know about. Let me walk you through each one. Number 1. Canvas size. The default canvas is now 1920 by 1080. That's full HD. Before, it was 1280 by 720. More space, more room to breathe. Number 2. The gray background. This sounds small. It's not. The gray wallpaper and subtle off-white canvas means you can finally see if your visuals are aligned without adding a background color manually every single time. Number 3. Smooth lines. Line charts now default to smooth curves instead of sharp angles. It looks cleaner, more modern, and if you hate it, one click in the format pane brings the old style back. Number 4. Drop-down slicers. This one is my personal favorite. Slicers now default to drop-down mode. No more list slicers taking up half your report canvas. Clean, compact, professional. Number 5. Card visuals. The new card visual is left-aligned, less padding, no reference label background. It looks like something out of a Figma design file. The old one? Honestly, it looked like Excel. Number 6. Buttons and subtitles. Buttons now follow Microsoft's Fluent 2 design language. They use your first theme color, they have hover states, press states, all built in. And every visual now gets a title and a subtitle by default. No more hunting through the format pane. Now here's the thing. This is still in preview, so it won't just appear automatically. Step 1. Make sure you've downloaded the March 2026 version of Power BI Desktop. Step 2. Go to Options and Settings, then Options, then Preview Features. Step 3. Enable modern visual defaults and customizing theme improvements, and restart Power BI. And here's the part most people miss. For existing reports, you need to manually apply the new theme. Go to View, Themes, and select the new default. Power BI will not overwrite your existing formatting automatically. For new reports, it just works, out of the box. Now, I promised you the one thing I'd still fix myself. The slicer drop-down default has a small bug. If you create a new slicer, it sometimes still shows as a list with drop-down styling. You have to go to the 3 dots, hit Reset All Settings to Default to actually get the drop-down. It's a minor thing, but it's worth knowing before you waste 10 minutes wondering why it's not working. So here's the bottom line. Microsoft just made it significantly easier to build reports that look professional without spending hours in the format pane. The new defaults aren't perfect, but they're a massive step forward. If you're still building reports with the old defaults, you're leaving a lot of visual quality on the table. Now that you know what changed with the defaults, the next question is, how do you customize the theme to match your company branding? Drop a comment below. Are you switching to the new defaults or sticking with your own theme? I'm curious. See you in the next one.